So this is something I thought I was doing right and I was totally wrong. So I want to share with all of you. If you think rolling the top of your paper leaf bag is the correct way to store them until garbage day, you're wrong. Have a look at what's underneath. Wet asphalt and a sopping wet bag underneath. Rolling the top is going to trap the moisture and the heat. It leads to rapid decomposition and rotting of the bag. That paper bag is going to tear up just like that. Leave the bag open. I mean, unless it's going to be like pouring rain and you don't want water to get inside, which would be just as bad, then leave it open. Let that sun beat down and dry out the grass. Let any moisture or humidity escape from the bag and not try and find its way down through the paper, causing your bag to rot out in a huge mess come garbage day. If it is going to rain, then sure, roll that bag closed, but only for the brief moment it's raining. Get it back open again, or better yet, just drag your grass bags and put them somewhere where there's an overhang and they'll be protected from the rain. And don't leave your grass bags on top of your grass lawn. You know, in the morning to wake up, there's fresh dew on the grass. Well, that wet grass is going to do the same damage to your bags that the trapped heat and moisture does. So put them on your driveway. If you think that's unsightly, at least wherever you do want to put them, along the side of your house, if you want to keep them with your garbage, put down some patio tiles. That way the grass bags can sit on those and not on the wet grass. And that way, come garbage day, when the trash collector goes and grabs a hold of your bag and yanks it up off the ground, it won't split at the bottom and you won't be left with a huge mess at the foot of your driveway.